Hello and welcome to Next Tech Genius. Here we dive into the latest advancement in digital technology and programming techniques to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your programming journey or a seasoned professional seeking to expand your skills, this channel is for you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to this movie. In this movie, I'm going to guide you through the interface of MySQL Workbench. So here on my desktop, I'll simply click on the MySQL Workbench icon in my tags bar. And this will open the MySQL Workbench interface. So here we are presented with a home screen which we can manage our connections. So currently we have a local instance of MySQL created in the last movie. So I'm just going to click on the local instance and I'll be asked to enter my password and then click OK. Here it opens up the MySQL Workbench main window. So here we can see a lot of panels on the right, on the left, and on the bottom. So on the left hand side we have the navigator, and the navigator has two tabs, which is administration and then schema. The administration tab provides tools for managing the MySQL server, such as configuring server settings, creating and managing users, and managing backup and recovery operations. Now, for example, if I click on the server status, so here we can see an overview of our server, and this will open in a new tab. So you can see the name of our server, local instance, the server status, and all of that. Next, on the navigator, we have the schema. So I'm just going to close this tab because we are done with it. So we have the schema. Now the schema displays a visual representation of your database. So you can use it to view and modify database objects, relationships, and indexes. So here you can see we have tables, views, stored procedures, and functions. And here at the top are what we call the toolbar. The toolbar provides quick access to frequently used features of MySQL Workbench, such as executing queries, saving models, and generating SQL scripts. So here you can see, if I hover my mouse on this, here you can see create a new SQL tab for executing query. So if I click on that, so you can see that's created an SQL tab. And this SQL tab is basically the SQL editor in the middle, and the SQL editor is where we can create and execute SQL queries. So if I write SQL right here, just on my cursor, which we are going to do in the next video, I can execute the SQL right here. So I'm going to write an SQL statement or code, and then I can execute it right here. So I'm just going to close this tab, don't save, and here we go. There are other toolbars such as creating a new schema, use a database, or create new table, and all of that. Then at the bottom we have the output panel. The output panel displays messages, errors, and warnings generated by MySQL Workbench. So these are the main components of the MySQL Workbench interface. By familiarizing yourself with these components, you'll be able to navigate and use MySQL Workbench more efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on digital technology and programming skills. Stay curious, and I will see you in the next video.